If you work with clients, handle projects, manage a team, or run a service-based business, then you already know how hard it is to keep everything organized. Messages comes from everywhere. Files get lost. Clients ask the same questions again and again. And your team needs a simple space to work together. FuseBase is a tool that solves all of these problems by giving you a clean client portals and easy team collaboration features. Today I will share how FuseBase works, why it is helpful for modern businesses and freelancers, and why the lifetime deal is a strong option if you want the long-term value. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to discover tools that save time and money. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description to grab the special discount. When you use the link, the discount will be applied automatically. Now let's talk about the FuseBase. And let's talk why so many small business agencies and freelancers are using it. The main idea of FuseBase is very simple. It gives you one place where your clients, your team, and your projects can stay organized. Instead of sending information through the email, WhatsApp, Messenger, or random documents, you can bring everything into one clean portal. When you first enter the platform, the interface is very friendly. You see a simple dashboard where you can create the workspaces for your clients or your team. Each of the workspace acts like a private area where you can store files, write notes, share the updates, and keep all the information organized. This helps you to avoid the confusion and saves you from searching anywhere for the old messages. One of the most popular features of FuseBase is the client portal. Each client gets their own dedicated space. Inside this portal, you can share project updates, timeline details, documents, invoices, and forms, and anything else the client needs. You can also send the messages inside the portal, which keeps your communication clean and professional. This reduces the long email threads that usually confuse your clients. Everything stays in one place and your clients feel more confident because they can see all the details clearly. Another thing beginners love is how easy it is to customize the client portal. You can add your logo, choose the color, and make the portal look like your own brand. This makes your business look more professional and trustworthy. Even small freelancers can offer a premium experience to their clients without spending money on complicated software. FuseBase is also very popular for team collaboration. You can create internal workspace where your team can share the ideas, assign tasks, store file, and plan work together. There is no need for the separate tool for chat, notes, or project management. Everything is built inside the one platform. This helps your team work faster and stay on the same page. The document creation feature is another strong part of the FuseBase. You can create pages using a simple editor. This page includes the text, images, checklist, links, and many more. You can use them for onboarding documents, project guides, the SOPs, and the proposals or training materials. The pages look clean and professional, and you can share them with your clients or team instantly. Another useful thing is the file management system. You can upload the documents, PDF, images, spreadsheets, or videos inside each of the workspace. Everything is neatly stored and easy to find later. When your client needs a file, they don't have to message you. They can simply open their portal and they can download it. This saves time for both and your client. FuseBase also includes messaging feature. You can chat inside the platform without switching to another app. This helps your team stay focused and reduces the distractions. And because the chat is inside the workspace, the messages always stay organized with the project. Now let's talk about how FuseBase helps you in real situation. If you are a freelancer, you can use the client portals to share your progress and deliver the work. If you run an agency, you can organize each of your clients into separate workspace. If you are a coach, consultant, or trainer, you can provide resources, lessons, and updates inside a clean portal. If you manage a small team, you can keep the task, notes, and files together instead of spreading them across the multiple apps. Now let's move to the main reason many people choose the FuseBase, the lifetime deal on AppSumo. Many collaboration tools charge monthly fees, and over the time this cost become very high. But with the lifetime deal, you pay once and you can get the access forever. This means you can run your business with professional client portals and team collaboration without worrying about ongoing payments. The lifetime deal usually includes the unlimited workspace, the client portal, and document tools, file storage, messaging, and updates. This gives you everything you need to manage your business smoothly. Because you pay only once, the long-term savings can be huge. Another thing that increases the value of the lifetime deal is the regular update. The platform keeps improving, adding new features and making everything smoother. You get all these improvements automatically without paying extra. Overall, FuseBase is a clean, beginner-friendly, and powerful platform for managing clients or working with your team. It helps you to communicate better, stay organized, and deliver more professional experience. With the client portal, workspace, documents, messaging, and a solid lifetime deal, it becomes a strong tool for freelancers, agencies, and small businesses. So that's all basically for today's video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe the Easy Access Tech channel for more simple tech reviews and tool updates. And remember to use the link in the description to grab the lifetime discount automatically. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.